Mogadishu magaalada xamar ma oo kama marmo markii walba maankaygu jecel Mogadishu magaalada xamar ma oo kama marmo markii walba maankaygu jecel
Integration TV, brought to you by Turkish Airlines. 33 countries, 51 cities in Africa. Widen your world.
Welcome to Integration TV. We are in Mogadishu, Somalia. You know how much I love sharing the positivity of this beautiful city that has grown so much since my last trip in December 2014. The roads are different, the people are different, and right now we're actually at the world's largest embassy that the government of Turkey has ever built, and it's located right here in Somalia. So today I'm going to give you guys a tour of the Turkish embassy in Somalia, and honestly, this is probably, looks like a different world when you come in here. Right now we are in the courtyard where there's like 4 different buildings surround us at the Turkish embassy, and right in front of me is actually where the ambassador lives in this beautiful home and where he has different dignitaries visit him, and this is kind of cool. So this is the largest embassy in the world that Turkey has ever built. All my viewers know that I did the first documentary on Turkey and Somalia, and imagine this entire embassy was not here 2.5 years ago. So this is like a milestone that the Turkish government could build something like this in such a short period of time. Imagine what we could do in Somalia, guys. Walk actually to where Lido Beach, where you can see it in the embassy, and it's kind of cool because you can go on the rooftop and you'll see the beach. I just arrived. I've made it in this world. What kind of view is this? Look at this. Wow. Wow. On the rooftop here, but I want to thank you guys so much for joining me live from Mogadishu from the Turkish embassy. As you can see, Somalia we hormartay. Welcome to the new Mogadishu. This is what it's about, guys: redevelopment and building our great nation.
Integration TV, brought to you by Turkish Airlines. 33 countries, 51 cities in Africa. Widen your world.
You know, life in Mogadishu is not all about beaches. Sometimes you just gotta walk around the district and meet some funny people. I'm actually walking in HODAN district. We're about to go to the ARC hospital, and I see this guy with a donkey, and I'm like, stop the car, Chochi. Assalamu alaikum, Adar. How's tahay? Maxaa samaynaysaa maanta? Guri baad dhisaysaa?
Maya. Wax yar oo maaragtay sariir iyo laga sameeyay.
Sariir? Oh, okay. Haye? adaa sameynaya gacmahaga
maya
ha qofa u geynaysaa soo sida bahashan u saartay waxan dhan lacag rabtaa oh you have to make money waa run qofa noloshiisa inuu soo saaro waaye okay si wada aniga ma kula fula full ma soo gali karaa full ka one oh my god hold on are you sure okay yeah I can do it 1 2 3 Exercise time. Oh my god. Ma ku dhacaya? We're gonna go get a haircut because Hassan, we didn't have time to get a haircut before we left Canada. So you wanna go get your haircut in Mogadishu?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Who's the best hair cutter here? I think I want to
dye it. I want to dye my hair green.
So who's
that green hair?
I think
aniga magacaygu Cumar aa la yidhaa
haye
timijaraanka shaqeeya
okay okay so kala wiilkayga timuu u baahan yahay
I want my hair green. Then.
he doesn't speak English you have to talk Somali to him
Okay, you translate. I want my hair dyed green.
okay wuxuu rabaa timaha inaad line yar u samaysid line yar iyo inta
You're not saying
and he
that.
wants green hair timo green how do you say green adiga waa Somali aqooni cagaarka timaha ma samayn kartaa can you dye hair
cagaar
Ha.
balaaga la sameeyaa cagaarka ma
okay go so you gotta dry it.
That's dyed.
no that's
That's dyed? No.
حبي خليفة تقانا
haduu qalifad
ها معك تقانا
baaru
حبي
inuu timijara ka shaqeeyo inuu macnaa fanni yahay macnaa oo dadka oo shacabtara badan u yahay
سيدو وش شيكي هذه مش
u
شيكي
sheekeeyaa nidaam macnaa u imaadaa u sheekeeyaa cabaaru jeegada u laa
بعدين ما شيكي ما كنت كل هالليسي
sidoo kale markaan shaqeynaa waa sheekeeyaa
ما حد شيكي
sheekooyin
الحين
badan
ما
waa
كنت
la
هلا مركي
kaftamaa
ميشن يماتا
waa la
جرجرة
kaftamaa waa
باتينا
timijaraha kaftan caadi ah
هيا
adi waxyaabo badan aa isdhex wadaa
هيا
ha
دمر ما كهذا شا
ya
دمر
dumarka dumarka inta badan dumarka inta lagama sheekeeya way nala dhasheen xaaskeena waaye hooyooyinkeena waaye markii la isku keeno caadi laakiin sida badan loogama sheekeeyo
اوكي ما شاء الله سو ويلك ودا ميه
munaasib oo looga sheekeeya
اوكي ما شاء الله سو dadka qurba joog maxaa u sheegaysaa sidii gadaabo
wadankooda
la hadal xagga
barwaaqo yahay uu nabad yahay ee wadanka macnaha caadi ah u kala socdo ya wax rabshad ay jirin Somalia waa sida arkaysaan waa isdhex socda qabiyaaladii wax iska ma jirto ya
انا واش تعرفت واش تعرفت هيا
ما بين اسكو sheegay waligay ma taariin kan kacay masaajid
تعرف كل شيء والله ولا قرحي انت نو شيء هذا رنت نو شيء
كان waaliyay in caadi maan meeshu naga la shaqeeyaa fiiri oo naga kacayo
هيا
masaajid istaagay
هيا
masaajidku wuxuu ka dhahay beerkeyga carabkeyga ka dhadhamiyo walaalayaal waxa la qabto kafta waa kan caadi maahan jaadu cunooya oo mirqaan ma taqana qofku mirqaansan qofku mirqaansan ma taqana
شاطر ما انت حاجه
fiiri oo mirqaansan anaga ma cuna ma cuna laakiin ninka haduu mirqaansan haduu afku ku haya
يا ka garanaya afkaaga
haduu afku ku haya haduu afku ku haya afkaaga ku muuqda oo mirqaansan qof mirqaansan qof kale isku mid ma aha ninka mirqaansan dalidiisa qorin adig caadi ila sheekays
Yeah, who's Khalid? The rapper? Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, wait.
We're not going to talk about that here. Okay.
أنا هيا تتكلم.
So my little custom is ولا عيبت أسطورة.
كيري dadka jaadka isticmaala kan iyo dad badan way jiraan anaga jaadka ma isticmaalno waan shaqeynaa dadka shaqeey qaarna balwad ay leeyihiin qaarna balwad ma laha ani balwad ma leeyahay saacadii balwad la kaas balwad ma laha
nin walba balwad buu leeyahay
dadka nin walba buu leeyahay balwadaha kale
taada sheegtay
deeda ani mali
balwadan ma lihi
balwadan wax balwadan
somebody's lying in the show right now okay I think balwada naaga waay
balwadeeda
Alright guys.
balwadeeda cuntadeeda iyo reerkeyga bas wax inaan cuno reerkeyna ciyaaraha xataa taageero
balwadu waxay tahay wax tan
balwada ma xuna nin walba balwadu uu leeyahay laakiin balwadaha sidii footballka ciyaara jir footballka xataa insa
so sports balwada tahay
ma isaas uma tahay
okay guys we'll take it from there anyways thank you so much waa mahadsantahay soo dhawaysan
adiga madana
okay hi live from Mogadishu barbershop
Integration TV, brought to you by Turkish Airlines. 33 countries, 51 cities in Africa. Widen your world.
And I'm actually right here at HODAN district, this hospital. HODAN, it's weird to have my name on a hospital in a district. It's kind of strange. So this is a hospital set up by the ARC in 2015 where women and children can come. Women can find out if they have a baby. When ultrasounds are done here, they give birth here, they provide pediatric care. So I'm going to check out what they're doing because 1 in 10 women in Somalia still die from giving childbirth, and we're going to learn how this can be prevented in this country. So Somalia is not all fun, guys, but sometimes we got to be serious about the issues that face our country. So let's go inside and check out the district of HODAN hospital set up by the ARC. Okay, so we're here inside. We're gonna go check out what women do to prevent death in this country. Well, I guess what women can do to prevent death from giving childbirth. Of course, there is the big tree here, and I love Somali culture because people always come together under a tree because a tree symbolizes life and they are shade. So let's go check out the shade and what's happening here. So Abdelkader is here. He's one of the doctors here for the ARC hospital here. So we're gonna check out how the kids are weighed. This is how the baby's weighed?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Here is the clock.
Salam alaikum. You what? Oh. Can I pick us? Yeah? Okay, how many? 7 kilos?
No, 6.5.
6.5 kilos.
6.5.
6.5. Okay,
This is the
mashallah. So 13 pounds, Malahas?
This is kg.
Oh, kg, okay, yeah.
kg.
Ah, mashallah. انت ايش تاقبه ده هوي؟
8 كيلو بلاد.
صدق بلاد؟ Oh, okay.
8 كيلو بلاد.
You know what I love is that Somali moms are protective of their baby. صح معايا؟ That's how much we love our kids. Okay. هو your baby مو قبان كرا. No, we do this. ما قبان كرا. No. هو see, وهو would accent. See, guys? She doesn't want to give me her baby. How old is he? انت بلاد شرا. Sided blood? Tadaba blood. Okay. So this baby is 7 months old. Oh, we got another one in there. Okay, we're gonna wait. Maga'i. Mohammed. Hi, Mohammed. Salam alaikum. Maga'i سوي قانا سفي عنه. Yeah? Okay. So doctor, is this one finished? Yes. Okay, come back in next. There we go. Hold the loading again? Like that? Okay. Move for the asaga. Whoa. Oh. Hi, Mohammed. Hi, Mohammed. Until I had them. Okay, 7.5 second. Okay, we'll keep calabas like I. Okay, Mohammed, صباح. Come. Come. Okay. So I want to ask you, why don't you guys have the other scale, or like in the West, the Arut Saran? Is this easier for Somalia?
This is easier.
Okay.
This is easier.
Because when I take my baby to the doctor in Canada, they put him on a scale, weight chufian.
Yes.
So this one is so like,
Even we have.
so
we
cute.
have the sleeping one. Here is that.
Is right there?
Yes.
Okay, it's a difference. That's the length. What's the average a hoyo in Somali dalan in this city? What's the average? Like 5, 6, 7?
In average, Somali mother, in average, this village, it is up to 5 to 6 children.
5 to 6 children.
Yeah.
Wow.
Normal.
And you guys help them with all the children usually. They come back.
Yeah, come back.
Wow.
Yes, regularly. They come back regularly.
Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna go to the other room, but let's check this out. So he's malnutrition because it's red. Come handsome. Oh, it's okay. Alhamdulillah. So you're gonna give him nutrition after? Yeah. Asinasan, yeah? Hey, baby. Oh, he's smiling. MashaAllah. Huh?
Biscuits.
So you start the process now. أنت سينسان هذا today or no? ما حسينسان today. Biscuit is in it. Nutritional. High protein biscuit.
Yes.
And then he's gonna eat that for a couple months until he gets bigger.
Yes, until he recovers.
Okay.
We will give them in a weekly.
Okay.
Every week. The second week he comes as the follow up.
Okay.
What has changed?
Yeah.
Is he improving?
Yeah.
Is he recovering or not?
Yeah.
And give another
Oh,
dose
okay.
of food.
هو الناس كم سيسا؟ ها, okay. Perfect. Okay. Can we give you the baby? Come, هو يكون عندنا. Okay. Bye, Mohammed. Aww. So we saw the babies getting weighed and getting prepared, and actually there's delivery rooms here. I can't believe it. But nobody's giving a birth yet, so we can't see it. Okay. So
Mostly they come at night.
Okay, so most Somali women have the babies at night?
Yeah.
Is that a scientific study or no?
No.
I have my baby in the morning.
Yeah, it's not scientific.
I'm like, maybe I live in a different part of the world.
Yes, it is a culture.
Yeah, so this is where all the mothers are waiting?
Yes. Here is the OTB.
OTB, okay.
Yes, naturation area.
Okay, so نفقي سوين عروتها.
Queue.
Wow.
عليك سلامة فين قبل
السلام عليكم.
وسلامي كرتين.
هذا دلع عنك؟ Is your baby? I was like, انت شرتها.
هوي أوي.
هوي is it ولا شيء؟
هذا sick.
The mother is sick and you brought the baby?
older sister.
Wow. How old are you? انت شرتها؟
13 years.
13 years and baby دم حاليسا. ما شاء الله. قبل يرو قربت شوكتو صدحي تمن شرتها. ما بدقق كرتها well. She can't even wash dishes, okay? Okay, so we drove now to the Abdi Aziz district where the ARC has another hospital for mother and children, moms and kids. So Dr. Abubakar, we're going to go inside. I actually brought my son, guys, so he can experience Somalia. My son is here. Hassan?
Hassan, come here.
He's shy. But anyways, we're going to go inside and we're going to check out the more services they're doing, right? Okay. All right, so come. Dr. Wasame, thank you for having us. I'm still amazed. Dr. Wasame, like, قبلها Somalia, they have kids at such young age, you know? Like, had the Gabadan, salam. Where's Gabadi baby? This is, yeah. No, it's there. Yeah, this one. So she has a baby, a new baby, mashallah. First baby, and you're 16. Okay. So we just flew we were flying the drone, and the whole neighborhood came out, Abdi Aziz. And Mama, is it Halima? Rahma, I called you Halima earlier. Rahma lives in Abdi Aziz. She's lived here 27 years. 27? لا ثاني تضرب؟
لا أنا
أنت صدق سنة شوفتي ماشي؟
مايا كمان تدوسنا
تدوسنا بقى كنا ولا حاجة؟
كنا ولا ماشي.
أوكي من مقدشة. أوكي. أنت تدوب عروض بعد الشيء؟ إلا يونا حريصين بكادمتين بأفر بكوتشوا أفر وين؟ Wow. So you have 4 kids. ما شاء الله. بس. Okay. رحمة وحي قلتلي أنا قد دبهنتها أنا هاي أديك أنا محاتها هاي.
قلنا ودلتي.
إذا ما أعرف قلنا ولا شيء. دبهنت يا كسيتها.
شامع سيادة.
شامع سيادة. أوكي أنا قبل دبهنتها أنا هاي.
ما شاء الله. الله يا بيجان.
قبيل هو يا صومالي.
أبايو.
tell me a little bit كصوبحان يا.
ما شاء الله.
قبل هي لاس عرون دوانا هاي.
ما شاء الله. أبايو. بيجان سكين كنا. يا أبا. الميجا مريحان واي.
ألا me too. أنا قبل.
أرميدك واي.
أنا كنا مريحان واي عروتي هذا.
أرميدك واي كنا. أبايو.
سؤال بحي قبيلة صوت السنان. قبيل كلمة مسكون. مركب رواية شعر هذا ما يصير شعلاته. because قبيل كسيم ما نهاي. ما هي يقول شعلاته because same قبيل.
ولا شيء تاي.
Okay.
ما شاء الله ديك أنا سوجيته.
ديك الله صومالية. قربة قبيل لقب بحياة guys. قبيل قربة لقب بحياة.
إن شاء الله كبيح دونا إن شاء الله مركي قعما يسقف سنة كبيحنا إن شاء الله.
Okay. وقبل محمود قرابة ما أنت إسهلني ويت شعلاتي. but I hope إنه يقول شعلاتك قبل صومالي بأنا هاي.
ما شاء الله قبل صومالي. هو يسود وقت ولا شيء نوعطاه.
Yes, إن شاء الله.
ما شاء الله.
Bye guys from Abdi Aziz district where we find all tribes.
إن شاء الله.
Even though أنت لقيها لماشي.
ولا شيء معاه سودوا. عبد العزيز
سودوا. عبد العزيز سودوا.
عبد العزيز معاه سودوا. عبد العزيز سودوا. عبد العزيز سودوا. عبد العزيز سودوا.
Integration TV live from Abdi Aziz district in Mogadishu.